If you're someone who actually wants to lose fat and not just a bunch of water weight, you need to be doing these 3 things. 1, you should be taking measurements. Waist, glutes, shoulders, neck. Really take measurements wherever you are, whether you're a male or female. That way you can actually see your body fat slowly dwindling down. Number 2, progress photos. 1, it's awesome to see your journey and actually document your journey. But also, this will keep you motivated as you move along, because every week or every other week, when you actually see yourself looking drastically different in the mirror, you know what you're doing is work. You're losing body fat. And lastly, number 3, get yourself a smart scale. Now, this is RENPHO Smart Scale. Is it the most accurate thing in the world? It's actually pretty close. I'll throw up my measurements on the screen of what it just said as I'm just starting to begin my cut, and it is actually very accurate. It's gonna actually allow you to see your body fat dwindling down, but maybe your weight stays the same. We call that recomping. That's an excellent thing. That'll keep you motivated as well. It's almost like a little game you can play with yourself, as it allows you to get your health markers in the green if you're starting off in the yellow or maybe even in the red. If you'd like to go ahead and pick one up, and there will be a link in my bio for you to go ahead and pick one up. I hope this helps.